To support you in managing end-of-life products, Schneider Electric has developed a platform that allows you to easily request product collection. To access the returns platform, you must log in to My Schneider. A direct link to the returns module is available from the home page under the Quick Links section. In this first step, you must choose the type of return you wish to initiate. In this case, let's click on Circularity. In this step, please read our terms and conditions carefully. If you agree, check the box to continue your collection request. This tab allows you to initiate a new return. You must select the return type and follow the steps to complete your request. Through this tab, you can view all information related to your return requests: initiated RMA reference, associated status, creation date, and more. This is also where you can cancel a return request if needed. To begin, you must confirm your company's contact details. You have the option to edit contact address information. All fields marked with an asterisk are mandatory and must be completed. You must specify the type of pallet to be returned: European pallet or half pallet. Once the pallet type is selected, the pallet's length and width are automatically filled in by default. You must provide the weight of the pallet and the height of the pallet. Finally, you need to provide the number of identical pallets to be returned. In case of multiple pallets, repeat these steps. You need to select the product category and subcategories related to the pallet. You are required to provide a picture of their pallet. At any time, you can cancel the product selection or add a new product by selecting it from the Select Your Product. Then, you can click on Continue. You must confirm that your pallet meets the following conditions. The pallet must be wrapped or strapped, secured, and ready for pickup when the carrier arrives. The collection also complies with the weight requirement, with a minimum of 80 kilograms. At this stage, you must provide the contact details of the person organizing the collection request, as well as the contact details of the person who will be present on the day of the pickup. Then, you can click on Submit. The customer must ensure that all information is correct before submitting your collection request. It is necessary to accept the terms and conditions of service, then confirm the collection request by clicking on Review and Confirm. The collection request has been successfully submitted. You will find the collection request number under RMA number. You must print the summary PDF and attach it to each pallet. At any time, you can track the return request. Once the RMA request has been submitted, you will receive a confirmation email detailing all the steps to follow prior to the carrier's arrival. The pickup details will appear once our logistics partner has contacted you. You can access to shipping details entered by our partner. If no information is visible on the interface, it means that our partner has not yet scheduled a pickup date. Through this tab, you can view all information related to their return requests: initiated RMA reference, associated status, creation date, and more. This interface is also where you can cancel a return request if needed. Once your pallets have been collected by our recycling partner, they will responsibly handle your waste by sorting, recovering, and recycling it in a responsible way. As soon as the sorting process is complete, you'll find your environmental impact document linked to your collection request in the Documents section. Thank you for your commitment to the circular economy and your active role in building a more sustainable future.